Welcome to the course on AI in Financial Management. This course will explore the integration of artificial intelligence in various aspects of financial management. Our journey will cover 6 key areas: Introduction to AI in Financial Management, AI in Financial Planning and Budgeting, AI for Investment and Portfolio Management, AI-powered risk management and fraud detection, AI in credit scoring and loan approvals, and AI in corporate finance and capital structure decisions. Let's begin with an introduction to AI in financial management, where we will understand the foundational concepts and the transformative impact of AI on financial decision-making. Overview of AI's role. AI enhances financial decision-making by providing data-driven insights that lead to more informed strategies. Algorithms analyze complex datasets swiftly, helping finance professionals identify trends and anomalies instantaneously, which ultimately supports better risk management and capital allocation. The integration of AI leads to automation of repetitive tasks, reducing human error and increasing efficiency in financial processes. Automation tools streamline operations such as transaction processing, compliance checks, and reporting by minimizing manual intervention and optimizing workflow. Prominent AI tools. IBM Watson leverages natural language processing and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of financial data. It aids in predictive analytics, customer insights, and regulatory compliance, thereby offering tailored solutions that enhance operational efficiency in finance. Google Cloud AI provides advanced machine learning tools that can be utilized for data analysis, fraud detection, and automated reporting. Its scalable infrastructure supports financial institutions in harnessing big data for strategic decision-making and competitive advantage. Microsoft Azure AI offers a suite of AI services that enable financial organizations to build intelligent applications. It supports predictive modeling and data integration, facilitating more accurate financial forecasting and streamlined compliance efforts. Next, we will delve into AI in financial planning and budgeting, exploring how AI technologies can optimize financial planning processes and budget allocations. Enhancing budgeting processes. AI technologies improve revenue forecasting by analyzing historical transaction data and market conditions. This enables organizations to allocate budgets more effectively, ensuring optimal resource utilization and enhanced financial performance. By deploying AI in budgeting, companies can identify cost-saving opportunities through predictive analytics. AI tools monitor spending patterns, enabling proactive measures to prevent budget overruns and enhance financial discipline across departments. Notable AI-based tools. Xero employs AI for real-time financial monitoring and management. Its capabilities include automated invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting, making it a popular choice for businesses aiming to streamline their financial operations. QuickBooks AI integrates smart algorithms that assist businesses in generating forecasts, managing budgets, and streamlining invoicing processes. The platform's automation features increase efficiency and accuracy in financial management. Adaptive Insights offers a cloud-based planning solution that uses AI to enhance budgeting, forecasting, and reporting processes. It enables organizations to adapt quickly to changing business conditions with real-time analytics and scenario planning. We will now explore AI for investment and portfolio management, focusing on how AI-driven strategies can optimize investment decisions and portfolio management. AI-driven investment strategies. Robo-advisors utilize advanced algorithms to manage investment portfolios according to individual risk tolerances and financial goals. They provide accessible, low-cost investment management solutions, democratizing financial advisory services for a broader audience. AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of historical financial data allows for enhanced predictive analytics and investment strategies. This analysis aids investors in optimizing their portfolios based on informed projections of market movements. Key investment tools. Betterment is a leading robo-advisory service that uses AI to automate the investment process. It employs algorithms to tailor investment strategies for clients, ensuring personalized management according to varying financial objectives. Wealthfront integrates AI technology to enhance investment planning and portfolio management. Its features include automated rebalancing and tax loss harvesting, optimizing returns for clients while reducing tax liabilities. The Bloomberg terminal incorporates AI for real-time financial analysis, market forecasts, and trading insights. This powerful tool supports investment professionals by offering actionable intelligence and extensive data resources. Our next topic is AI-powered risk management and fraud detection, where we will see how AI can identify and mitigate financial risks and fraudulent activities. Real-time anomaly detection. AI systems identify unusual patterns in transaction data, enabling immediate flagging of potential fraud. This rapid detection helps financial institutions minimize losses and enhance customer trust through secure transactions. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical data to recognize risk patterns, thereby enabling proactive risk management strategies. These insights assist organizations in mitigating financial exposures through informed decision-making. Leading AI tools in risk management. FICO Falcon is renowned for its AI-driven fraud detection capabilities. By analyzing transaction behavior in real time, it helps institutions identify and mitigate fraudulent activities swiftly and effectively. Darktrace utilizes machine learning to enhance cybersecurity and risk management in financial institutions. Its autonomous response technology identifies and mitigates unpredictable threats in real time, reducing the risk of data breaches. SaaS Fraud Management employs advanced analytics to detect and prevent fraud across various financial activities. Its AI capabilities provide comprehensive risk assessments and enhance compliance with regulatory standards. Now, let's look at AI in credit scoring and loan approvals, examining how AI enhances credit assessments and loan approval processes. Evaluating creditworthiness. AI enhances credit scoring by incorporating non-traditional data sources, offering a more comprehensive view of a borrower's creditworthiness. This approach aids financial institutions in making informed lending decisions beyond traditional credit scores. AI algorithms assess multiple risk factors to predict loan repayment behavior. This predictive capability helps lenders minimize default rates and tailor lending solutions to individual borrower profiles. Prominent credit scoring tools. Zest AI leverages machine learning to improve credit scoring processes, providing more accurate risk assessments. Its models enhance underwriting processes for lenders and facilitate greater financial inclusivity. Experian's AI-driven credit scoring models enhance traditional scoring methodologies by integrating alternative data points. This innovation improves the ability to assess credit risk and increases access to financing for underserved populations. Upstart employs AI to transform the loan approval process. By utilizing a wider array of data, it allows for faster and more accurate credit assessments, resulting in a smoother borrowing experience for consumers. Finally, we will discuss AI in corporate finance and capital structure decisions, focusing on how AI optimizes financial structures and investment decisions. Optimizing financial structures. AI tools analyze a firm's financials to provide recommendations on optimizing the debt-equity ratio, which is crucial for minimizing capital costs and maximizing financial performance while maintaining acceptable risk levels. AI technologies aid organizations in evaluating potential investment opportunities through predictive analytics. These insights facilitate strategic capital allocation that aligns with long-term corporate objectives. Key financial tools. Oracle Financials AI is a robust suite that encompasses tools for financial planning, analytics, and reporting. It leverages AI to enhance decision-making efficiency and financial transparency across organizations. BlackRock Aladdin combines data analytics and machine learning to provide investment risk management and analytics, enabling asset managers to optimize their portfolios and enhance decision-making initiatives. SAP S/4HANA Finance integrates AI capabilities to streamline financial operations, providing insights into cash flow management and financial forecasting to improve strategic planning processes. Welcome to the section on AI-driven forecasting and predictive analytics. In this part, we will explore how AI is transforming the way we predict financial trends and make informed decisions. Predictive financial analysis. AI models incorporate complex algorithms to predict stock price and interest rate movements based on historical data and market sentiment, assisting investors in making more informed trading decisions. By analyzing economic indicators and market data, AI tools provide insights into macroeconomic trends, enabling organizations to adjust their financial strategies in response to market fluctuations. Notable analytical tools. Google AutoML offers tools for creating custom machine learning models without extensive coding, facilitating predictive modeling in finance and enabling organizations to leverage AI for tailored forecasting solutions. IBM Predictive Analytics provides enterprises with tools to forecast financial trends and identify opportunities. Its capabilities support informed decision-making through data-driven insights and advanced analytics. Tableau AI enhances visual data analysis by integrating AI-driven insights into visualization platforms. It empowers financial professionals to derive actionable insights from complex datasets quickly and intuitively. Next, we delve into AI in financial reporting and auditing. This section will cover how AI is revolutionizing the preparation and accuracy of financial reports and audits. Automating financial reports. AI automates the preparation of financial reports, ensuring adherence to regulatory requirements and standards. This reduces compliance risks and increases the accuracy and timeliness of financial disclosures. AI-driven audit bots analyze financial transactions to identify discrepancies and irregularities in real time. This technology enhances audit efficiency and accuracy, streamlining compliance processes within organizations. Leading audit tools. KPMG Clara utilizes AI to modernize the audit process, employing machine learning to evaluate financial data and enhancing the quality of audits through continuous monitoring and insights. EY Helix offers AI-powered tools that automate data analysis in audits, supporting auditors with real-time insights and optimizing the overall audit workflow for improved efficiency. Deloitte Omnia AI integrates advanced analytics and machine learning into the auditing process, providing enhanced capabilities for data analysis and risk assessment in financial reporting. Now, let's explore AI in algorithmic trading and market analysis. This section highlights how AI is used to analyze vast datasets and market sentiments to make informed trading decisions. High-frequency trading. AI technologies enable the analysis of vast datasets at high speeds, facilitating algorithmic trading strategies that capitalize on minor price fluctuations quickly and efficiently in the market. AI tools conduct sentiment analysis on financial news and social media, providing insights into market sentiments that influence trading strategies. This helps traders make informed decisions based on prevailing market attitudes. Prominent trading tools. Trade Ideas AI is a powerful tool for algorithmic trading that uses AI to identify trading opportunities based on real-time market data and predictive signals, enhancing decision-making for traders. AlphaSense employs AI to aggregate financial data from various sources, offering comprehensive market analysis and insights that assist investment professionals in making informed decisions in real time. Kensho integrates AI and machine learning to provide sophisticated analytics and market predictions, helping financial professionals to evaluate investment opportunities through deep market insights. Next, we will discuss AI in financial customer services and chatbots. This section will cover how AI-powered chatbots are enhancing customer experiences in the financial sector. Enhancing customer experience. AI-powered chatbots provide customers with 24/7 financial assistance, answering queries, processing transactions, and offering personalized investment advice, thereby enhancing the overall customer experience. Through NLP capabilities, AI systems can understand and respond to customer inquiries in a conversational manner, providing timely responses and improving user engagement in financial services. Leading chatbot tools. Kasisto offers AI-driven chatbots designed for financial services, enabling banks and financial institutions to enhance customer interactions and provide real-time assistance across channels. Amelia employs AI to deliver personalized customer service experiences in finance, analyzing customer behavior to enhance interactions and streamline responses for increased satisfaction. Haptic AI specializes in creating intelligent conversational agents that cater to financial services, supporting clients with queries related to banking, loans, and investment products. Now, let's move on to regulatory compliance and AI governance in finance. This section will discuss how AI helps maintain compliance with financial regulations and enhances governance. Ensuring compliance. AI tools help financial organizations maintain compliance with regulatory frameworks by monitoring transactions and activities in real time, thus providing alerts for any deviations from established standards. Advanced AI systems assist in monitoring transactions for compliance with AML laws. They employ machine learning algorithms to detect suspicious activities and support reporting to regulatory authorities. Key compliance tools. ComplyAdvantage leverages AI to automate compliance processes and enhance risk management related to AML and terrorist financing, ensuring financial institutions adhere to regulatory requirements efficiently. ThetaRay offers AI-driven solutions for detecting financial crimes and enhancing compliance, utilizing advanced algorithms to monitor transaction patterns and identify potential risks. ISD employs machine learning in the compliance sphere, providing organizations with tools to detect anomalies and ensure compliance with complex financial regulations through advanced analytics. Next, we will address AI ethics and challenges in financial management. This section will cover the importance of ethical decision-making and the challenges of bias in AI models. Addressing bias concerns. Organizations must prioritize ethical decision-making frameworks when implementing AI technologies to navigate challenges such as bias and transparency, promoting accountability in financial management practices. AI models can inadvertently perpetuate biases if trained on biased datasets. Identifying and mitigating these biases is essential for ensuring fairness and equity in financial decision-making processes. Need for transparency. Transparency in AI systems is crucial for fostering trust among consumers and stakeholders. Organizations should ensure AI models are explainable and their decision-making processes are understandable to avoid skepticism. Establishing ethical governance frameworks around AI implementation in finance is vital. This includes creating guidelines for AI usage, ensuring compliance with ethical standards, and promoting responsible innovation in financial technology. Finally, let's look at the future trends of AI in finance. This section will explore emerging innovations and how AI is set to revolutionize various aspects of the financial industry. Emerging innovations. AI is poised to revolutionize decentralized finance, DeFi, by enhancing transaction efficiencies and risk assessment methodologies while also generating new financial products tailored to a broader audience. The trend towards personalized banking solutions powered by AI is growing, enabling financial institutions to offer customized services based on individual customer preferences, behaviors, and financial needs. Integration with emerging technologies. AI's integration with blockchain technology enhances the analysis and monitoring of cryptocurrencies, improving security measures while providing better insights for investment and trading strategies. In conclusion, AI's transformative role in financial management is evident through its ability to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making capabilities. AI's deployment in financial management has fundamentally transformed various processes, enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making capabilities. Its continuous evolution promises to further reshape the financial landscape. Organizations are encouraged to invest in AI technologies and align AI strategies with their financial goals. Collaborative efforts in governance, ethics, and talent acquisition will be crucial for leveraging AI's full potential in finance. Thank you for your attention. For any further queries, please feel free to contact the course facilitator or leave comment below.